Here, these are our main kind of customer groups. As you can see, some market leaders, both from those energy and automotive e-mobility areas. Thanks for the introduction, Marcos. So, of course, we see these two sectors converging. What we know is that the power grids do need flexibility, and also that there's the increasing demand of EVs. So in order to cope with this complex evolving situation, the increased electricity consumption and also price volatility, which is due to renewables, we need smart solutions in order to do that. And that's where we step in with Flexo. It stands for Flexibility Orchestrator, and we enable automated smart charging at the best time, at the best price, with a seamless user experience. And we do all of that without obviously impacting the driver's needs. So just to show you where we fit in, we are the intelligence layer that sits in between the business opportunity, let's say, market access layer. So there's two main business opportunities, which is price arbitrage in the energy market, both day ahead and intraday, and then also grid balancing services, as Marcos mentioned. So we sit between the market access layer and the IoT layer. So we connect via API to the IoT layer using cloud-to-cloud technology. And as you can see, we optimize a wide range of flexible assets, so also renewables, and we all communicate through the EV as well as the wall box. So where we're different from our competitors is that a lot of them are vertical, maybe on just EVs. We do optimize, as I said, multiple flexible assets, and we also stack the value of multiple use cases in order to extract the most value from flexibility orchestration. How does that work? Well, we're using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to leverage demand response for unidirectional and bidirectional charging, so V2X. We analyze user behavior, so that includes fleet schedules, the energy profiles, energy markets, and weather forecasts in order to come up with the most cost-effective time to both charge and one-day discharge. We do have customers that often have their own front-end apps. In that case, we plug in our algorithms to their existing front-end apps, but we also provide a white label apps, both web and mobile app, for an end user to see their smart charging schedule and intervene if they want to. So we've unlocked up to €1,000 per EV per year from the smart charging and flexibility aggregation opportunities. So our customers choose us mainly because we're hardware agnostic. So just to be clear, we are exclusively software. We provide a unique user experience, so we try to keep it really simple. Of course, we need to take all of this kind of complicated aspects from the energy perspective and keep that away from the end user. That's of course really important, and we're known for our high quality of execution. So a lot of our team, data scientists, engineers, and developers all actually come from the energy business. And of course, we keep battery health top of mind, and that's also really important for when you're talking about V2X. When does it really, really make sense to discharge, considering the health of the battery? So the POC we are working on, and we're actually still in the first phase, which is market simulations, estimating the opportunity potential for different European markets for energy flexibility. So this is referring to the second use case that you saw. Aggregating the flexibility from a distributed fleet of vehicles to provide grid balancing services. The second phase to come will be live testing using a TME company fleet, demonstrating the technical feasibility within the Toyota ecosystem. There we also plan to evaluate the customer experience, and lastly to compare communication scenarios, so both via communication signals directly to the EV as well as through the wall box. I'm going to move forward because I think we're almost running out of time. But what's in it for OEMs? Because a lot of you, I'm sure, wondering that we're part of the energy ecosystem now, but up until which point? Some of you, so the first reason is really kind of control over the customer experience. Seeing as you are owners of most of the value chain, we see that OEMs can offer really a seamless integrated experience because of your technical competence. Second is the fact that owning the smart charging process obviously reduces the total cost of ownership, and that's an extremely powerful marketing tool. In fact, based on the real data that we've analyzed, smart charging and flexibility aggregation can actually offset most of private charging costs. The third would be data collection and analytics. Of course, having access to EV charging data can allow you to create innovative, tailor-made, and value-added services. And lastly, differentiating from competitors, because as EV production becomes quite standardized, software will be defining the future, let's say, leaders. And we really do believe that OEMs can leverage brand loyalty in a way that energy companies cannot. So we see huge potential from this project and then what's to come. So we're very much open to other partnerships and let's say projects. So please feel free to reach out.
Thank you.
Even afterwards.
Thank you so much. Wow. What a ride, what a ride. So much content.